Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel. My return subscribers now be the hey lovelies. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my channel to support me. I am really grateful. I appreciate you all, okay? And to the newbies, please do well to stay in touch. Don't go anywhere. Don't allow this to be your first and final time of watching this channel, okay? Make sure to subscribe and also give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, so hmm, according to the title and everything, I'm going to be trying out flaxseed gel today for the very first time. I want to do a moisture treatment, and so flaxseed is what I've always wanted to try out. And yeah, so before that, I have to take down my braid because I've carried this hair for 2 weeks, and it's time to take it down and wash my hair. So, and it's my moisturizing wash day routine, so I have to try out the flaxseed. Flaxseed is a plant that is grown for its fiber and seed. It is used for food and medicinal purpose. It is packed with a lot of nutrients and several hair and health benefits due to its makeup of antioxidants properties, vitamins, fiber, omega-3 fatty acid, and other beneficial properties. So it helps hair to grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to the hair follicles. The vitamin E in the flaxseed provides nutrition to the scalp, and it also reduces free radical damage. It also helps to reduce frizz. It increases the hair elasticity, and it also adds shine to the hair. So it also helps to smoothen the hair, and the main purpose of this pre-poo, it helps to moisturize the hair as well. So this is very beneficial, and I've been longing to try this. Okay, so finally I'm going to be using it to do my pre-poo. So this particular this thing, you can use it as a pre-poo, you can use it as a pre-conditioning mask, you can use it as a leave-in. So whichever way you want to do it, but in this case I'm going to be using it as a pre-poo, and I'm also going to be adding amla powder to it. So amla is a general thing we know. I already did my boiling process, mixed it with the amla, and also strain it out. So if you do this, you boil it, you have to strain it when it is a bit cool, because if you leave it for long, it might stick in very, it might get very sticky, and you'll be able to strain it. So I just hope you understand what I just said basically. So this is it after straining it, and I poured it inside my applicator bottle. So the applicator bottle has oil in it, so I added it inside it, so just to make everything well organized. You can see how it is. It didn't get sticky on the container because of the oil that is inside the applicator bottle. Amla can help to raise the level of the sebum production, which help to get rid of dandruff in the scalp and also itchiness as well. It also helps to promote hair growth. It prevents hair fall. It provides shine and strength to the hair. It also helps to treat head lice. In case you are struggling from head lice issue, you can try using amla. And also it helps to minimize gray hair, and it helps to condition the scalp and also boost the volume of your hair. So all this, the flaxseed, the amla, is very beneficial. For the amla, I've used the oil, but this is the first time I'm using the flaxseed as a pre-poo. But I still add flaxseed for my Ayurvedic oil, so I've been using flaxseed already in my Ayurvedic oil. This is just the first time trying out the flaxseed gel. So yeah, you guys should see the process. And yeah, if you've gotten to this part of the video and you're yet to like the video, please do it to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe as well. Share the video to your loved ones, your family and friends that might be interested in content like this. For anybody that has been struggling with dry hair, hair breakage, they should give this pre-poo a try. This moisturizing pre-poo is really nice, I must say. I mean, I'm gonna be doing this more often. Okay, anytime I try something like this, I like to do it. I like to continue doing it to see the results. If I'm going to, I don't just do it once. I continue to, consistency to see how it goes with my hair, to see if my hair loves it, if my hair likes it. So this is something that I've added to my hair care routine basically. So yeah, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. So for process like this, you have to work in section so you'll be able to get to every part of the hair. Make sure you work in section so that it will get to all the nutrients. Basically, the all the hair will benefit from it. Not that you're going to do it from one part and then the other part will be lacking. So yeah, basically work in section and make sure you use your hand to smoothen it very well to enter the hair. Massage it very very well to enter the hair. And in the process of doing this, I also use my hairbrush to brush it out a little bit. So the hairbrush helps me to spread the gel very well. So I don't know, it's not compulsory for you to add use a brush. You can just use your hand to do everything, but in the process I had to use my hairbrush so that the gel will spread. Make sure before you start the whole process, you detangle your hair. It is very important that you detangle your hair before you start the application of the flaxseed gel. So this brush is just basically to help me spread the product evenly in the hair. So it's not necessary that you use a brush. Just make sure you apply it, pat it, spread it evenly to the hair so that they'll benefit from it. So This is me trying to do the other part off camera, but I still show you guys the process of combing. You can see how gentle, always be gentle with your hair, especially when you're detangling it. Always be gentle because it is very important to avoid excess hair breakage. Make sure you are gentle with your hair. Another reminder for you to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also share the video. If you're yet to subscribe, please do it to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is turned on, and let me know in the comment section, have you tried flaxseed gel before? Is this something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section because I am already loving this. That's why, I mean, if I try something for the first time and if I love the way it feels, if my hair loves it, basically, it's something that I'm definitely going to continue doing. And for this one, my hair loves it and it gave me the result that I was looking for. Look at the hair fall that I had after the whole process. So I covered it up with my cap for, I think I covered it up for 2 hours or 3 hours before I went to wash it off. So I want you to take note of this. Before you shampoo the hair, make sure that you rinse it off properly. Remember we added what's it called, amla powder. So make sure you rinse it off properly before you go ahead to wash it with your shampoo, your conditioner, your deep conditioner. Make sure that you rinse off the marks properly, okay? So yeah, and this is what the hair looks like after 3 hours. I think 3 hours or 2 hours thereabout, and it feels really nice. Like the heat has entered it. You can see how it's looking as if it is very wet. So anyways, I'll be going over with my Mega Growth shampoo and the detangling conditioner and also the deep conditioner. So this also the deep conditioner basically. So this is what the hair looks like after the wash. I've done my moisturizing and sealing routine, and this is what we have. Honestly, this really give my hair the moisture I was looking for. This is like 5 days later after this particular pre-poo, and my hair is still feeling that the effect of the pre-poo, honestly speaking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and I'll be giving you guys more updates on this particular pre-poo that I've added to my hair care routine. And this is me just showing you guys some kind of length check. I don't really do that much length check, but anyways, yeah, see you guys, bye.